Hey guys, just want to do a little video, keep you updated on progress on all our projects and what we've been up to this week. Last week a friend of mine owns the marina where our boat is, asked if I had any interest in coming down with the excavator and getting rid of an old boat that he had. So I didn't bring my cameras with me. I wish I'd brought the drone, but I had a blast. It was like maybe a 28, 30 foot, something like that, sailboat that had been abandoned years ago and had been laying around the marina. He just wanted rid of it, so I spent a day crunching it up with the excavator and thumb and put it in a dump trailer, and he took it away, and it was a blast. So that was last week, the end of last week. Today my son and I took an old shed that we had here at home and brought it down to the build site. We're going to use it for a chicken coop, so I'll show you that. That was a lot of fun. And so basically I met with the builder the other day. We talked about the roof, and it's going to be a couple more weeks before they get started. So we've just been getting our house ready to go on the market. We're having a photographer come Saturday take pictures for the listing. So we're putting our house on the market, and we're going to live in the rental house if we sell the house quickly, which I think we might, because the real estate market's really doing well around this part of the country. So if we sell the house quickly, we need somewhere to go. We have that rental property that you saw me putting the kitchen in. So that's the plan. So house is going on the market next week. Keep your fingers crossed. Let me show you the video of the sailboat and the chicken coop, and then I'll check in with you later. All right? Okay. All right, good. Today's adventure is I'm breaking up a sailboat with an excavator. Pretty good halted deck joint. I almost got it. Some copper. Alright, this looks dangerous, right? So I built this shed out of scrap stuff I had probably 10 years ago, 12 years ago. When was John here? It was originally intended as a cabin, but then I needed a place to put my lawnmower. So we cut the, let me go around the side here. We cut the side out, and I put a couple doors in there from another shed. So it's lived here at our house for the last 10 years. And we need a chicken coop at the new house, so I thought rather than build a new one from scratch, we'd move this one. So yesterday we tried to lift it without much success. The tractor barely lifted it, put a strap around it and strapped it to the tractor. It got it, it was over, behind us a little bit, and moved it over here, but it's not going to lift it anymore. So today we're taking the siding off, which is easier than it seems. It's all screwed in, we're numbering it all. And we're going to take that side off and that side off and see if it'll lift it. And then get it on the trailer, strap it down, drive it 30 miles south of here, and see if it comes off the trailer in one piece. All right, where are we?
You're good, you got it right at your hand.
Need the old guy glasses. So I'm doing this row, Ethan's doing the high row. I wonder who's going to go down and do the low row.
Suppose that'll be me. I got the young guy knees.
Yeah, I don't. We made it here. We made it here to the new place. No issues, pretty uneventful. Nothing fell off. But now we're figuring out how we're going to get this thing off the trailer. God, she's so beautiful, isn't she? Tree fell on it right here. I gotta replace this rafter. And then a new piece of roofing. I got plenty of that roofing at home. I scrunched all this up here so it wouldn't fly around on the road, but that'll go back nice. It'll be good. Alright, so that's my week. Crunch a sailboat, move a chicken coop, get your house ready to go on the market. Anyway, hopefully I'll be back soon with some construction video of the house, because we're as anxious as everyone to get started and get that thing closed in before the bad weather sets in the winter. So anyway, do what you dig what you do. Life will be sweet. See you next time.